Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Monopoly Go. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and open up Monopoly Go. Now from here, you'll be redirected to the main interface for Monopoly Go. So in this case, if you want to block someone or kind of block someone or on Monopoly Go, first thing you want to do is you want to go to your friends section, which is located at the bottom right of your screen. Now from here, what you need to do is you need to go to your leaderboard. Now on the leaderboard, you should see the three options here, which is global, local, and friends. So when you go to the friends section here, if you want to block someone, well, currently there's no direct way for us to block someone on Monopoly Go, but you do have the option to remove them as a friend. So just click on the name of the user that you want to remove as a friend, and from here you have the option that says remove and just click on it. Now from here it's going to ask you, are you sure? So if you are really sure, you could just click on the remove function or the remove button here, and you'll be able to unfriend them on Monopoly Go. Now if they're trying to add you again on Monopoly Go, you can go ahead and go to add friends here, and if you see the request here, just click on the denied option that you see on your screen. Now unfortunately, this is the only way for us to kind of block someone on Monopoly Go, but for now this is the best way that you could do this. So at the moment, you could go ahead and just unfriend them on their leaderboard section, and that's about it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.